Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to see subscribers on YouTube. So firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your device and on the top search bar, type studio.youtube.com. Now tap on the search button. Here you'll be led to this page. You'll have to tap on Continue to Studio that is on the bottom of your screen. Now you'll see this pop-up welcoming you to YouTube Studio. Tap on Continue. Now on this page you'll see the Channel Analytics option. You'll have to tap on Go to Channel Analytics that is highlighted blue. You'll be able to see the data of last 28 days of your channel. You'll have to tap on the subscribers section. Again, tap on the See More option. Now, if you tap on this drop-down menu, you'll see options to view the YouTube subscribers data of the time frame that you select. Here, I'm going to tap on Lifetime. It will show the YouTube data of the entire years that I've opened my YouTube channel. Now, since I don't have any subscribers, it doesn't show my subscribers count, but if you have any, it will be visible on the subscribers column as shown on the screen. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.